Hello everybody, welcome back to Lyons Family Farms. Today I'm moving some second crop bales from the barn floor down to the shed down here. So when the hay guy comes, we can load on easy ground versus up there. It's not fun to load up there. Here's what we're hunting for. Second crop grass. We had to get through all these alfalfa, so I took a bunch down there. Now we're into what I want. There's the 18 bales. Lunchtime today, and it's Wednesday, and Emily, I don't know, what are you doing Wednesdays? Online, no school? I don't really know. Online school, and she wanted to come eat with the gang today, because the gang's going up to the hotel, which involves like me and Dave and Andrea and Graham and Pat. Quite the gang. Headed to lunch, and then if we got time here before milking, me and Dave got some silo work to do. Maybe remember me mentioning that in my last video. But we can't be putting it off. We need to get it done. You want to come to the silo?
No.
Why?
Why is it so close, Adam?
we gotta get to lunch. I'm freaking starving.
Me too.
Yes. We're done. All right, we're back. I'm gonna head up that big silo with the pitchfork. There's some moldy silage on the wall. I need to fork down. Dave will be here to run the conveyor, and we'll get it outside to the scrape alley and junk it, because it ain't worth nothing for feeding. So here's what I mean about the buildup. Not good. You don't want it falling into feed. This is what the whole side of the flow should look like, but got the mold. I'll wait for Dave to turn the conveyor on, but you see what we're doing here. Scraping it off and making sure we're getting all of it. Because we don't want that stuff, you can see it's moldy, mixed in with the good stuff.
Adam knocked a bunch of stuff off the walls up there in the silo, so I'm going to turn this conveyor on. He's going to start shoveling. Oh, look out. I'm gonna start forking some down. This stuff's moldy, so we'll just run it in the cart and then run it out here to push into the end there with the manure.
Dave's got that conveyor running down here. Now we'll work on throwing this down the chute. It's a new day. Look what unit I broke out. This thing used to spread barn dry in the barn. We might have a new purpose for it, but we need to soak it in this. I think we got it nice and loose now. Next, that pile of silage that you seen earlier in the video, I'm gonna pile it down at the shed instead of pushing it down through the barn because I got other plans with it. So that's where we're gonna take it. But I want the big bucket, not the small one. Since there's really nothing good to push against, I'm just gonna get the shovel it on, rather than try and push against that door and buckle it or something. It wouldn't be good. Don't want to have to make extra things to fix. Yeah, this is why the feed value is junk. There's that. These are stuck together. Junk. It's not worth getting your cows sick and losing milk production, so just throw it away. Thought I'd give a little update here on the planter. Getting the new closing wheels on. 3 rows of precision conceal done. 2 more rows to go. We're eating away at it. Probably if I worked all day, every day, I could get it done faster, but I don't. I only work at it every now and again. Well, it's Sunday. I promised I'd show you guys what that red thing's doing, or what I do with that little red push thing. So I'm gonna show you guys that tonight. First, I came out here to check on this cow and calf. She needs to chill out. I don't want her to step on the calf. What are you doing, heifer? We've been using it to spread lime on the walks here. You can kind of see a difference. Just scrape this, but this is staying dry. So I'll show you guys this unit. So the reasoning we're putting that lime down, so you see we put lime down in the stalls, which keeps the stalls dry, but then we didn't have any lime on the walks, which was keeping the walks wet. We're walking on the walks and walking into the stalls, which is making the stalls wet. So in the end, kind of defeating the purpose of putting lime in the stalls. So the other day, I broke out that red thing, filled it up with lime, limed the walks. So now when we walk, we're walking on lime, and then when we go into the stalls, our boots are dry, which keeps the stalls dry. which keeps somatic cell down.
Yes.
Ain't that right, buddy?
That's right.
So that's the whole purpose of doing that. I think we're gonna see some benefit to that.
Better. I'm just hanging it up.
Dave's working on this. It broke this morning.
Adam broke it.
I didn't break nothing.
Just kidding.
A little bit of Sunday night fixing, which is what we despise. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe.
Bye.